Hi guys, in this video we will see how to see all the recent changes in shared docs in your Google Docs page. If you have shared your Google Docs pages with another, then you can see any changes made by recipient. Here are the process. Go to your Google Docs shared page, simply open it, and here from the top menu bar, go to file, and here from the drop down menu you will find version history. Click on it and choose see version history, and you can see all your changes made by your recipient is visible here. You can easily watch and view recent changes in your shared documents, shared Google Docs page. Total one edit, you will see total one edit, 100%, all sessions, all versions, version history you can easily find here, and